So I wanted to cover real quick the holiday kit that doTERRA is selling currently that is going to blow your socks off. It's for glowing skin, beautiful skin, youthful skin, restoring just maybe the skin damage that has occurred over time. So this is the kit. It comes in a pouch. The pouch is, I love it. It's kind of got the stiff sides. It's got the pockets. So I'm in love with that, but this is what actually comes in the pouch. You have the Yarrow Balm Serum, which has a mixture of carrier oils and it's really great for your skin. You have the Yarrow Balm Essential Oil and the Yarrow Balm Supplements. Now these are travel sizes, so they are actually half the sizing that doTERRA normally sells them in. But the really just amazing part of this deal is I priced up all of this, and just these three would be over $100 worth of product, wholesale product. But it's, I think, $79 or less than $79. Either $79 or less for the whole kit together. So you're already getting like a super good deal on getting all of those. And then, I mean, you can always gift part of it to someone this holiday season or keep it for yourself. I'm in love with this stuff, and let me tell you why. I got to go home from convention with the supplements, and I initially started taking just the one right before bedtime, but then I went up to two, like the dosage said, because I was like, you know, I'm not seeing a difference, so maybe I'll try that. And within 2 nights of that, my skin, it was 2 or 3 nights, my skin felt so good, like baby soft, just lush, and I've never had a product that I have been able to just bam, see like immediate results over that quick of a period of time. So the Yarrow supplements I'm really excited about. I was doing the Yarrow Balm in a capsule for weight loss stuff, so like for people who are stressed or emotional and that affects their weight, which I know for me it does. This Yarrow Balm Essential Oil is something you want to start adding into your daily routine, just taking it internally. It really helps with emotional stress and things like that. So this, because it's already in a capsule form for me, it makes that super easy. So I was already doing that, and now it just simplified everything for me, and I'm getting really good skin results from using this product. So I could not be happier about that. I'm super stoked. The Yarrow Balm Serum. So let me tell you about this product. This is typically what you're going to want to use like on your hands and your neck, your body. It's got carrier oils, some really great ones. It's got olive oil in it too. I have found for my skin type, I actually do really well with an olive oil as a face moisturizer. So I actually use this on my face and have had some great results from that. It's typically not going to be something everyone's going to want to use on their face because a lot of times the heavy oils like olive oil, it might be too heavy for your face, but for me it is like the perfect mix. So I use that on my face, my skin. Here, let me pump out just a little bit for you to show you the difference. So it has a glowing effect, like that takes place really just immediately. Let me rub this in real good for you. Okay, now you can see, and it will dry up a little bit, but that glowing effect just stays with me all day. So you can kind of see the difference there. And we've seen lots of people using the supplements and the Yarrow Serum having like great experiences with like just almost like rebuilding the damage that over time it's taken on your skin and stuff. So if you're looking for like boosting that beauty, glow, healthy skin look in your life, just managing some of the wear and tear that our bodies take over the years, this is a great kit that you want to snag for sure, especially if you are just wanting to try it because it's a really good price this time. And then we've got the essential oil, the straight up Yarrow Balm Essential Oil, and it's really important to note that if you've seen other Yarrow essential oils, it's not the same as the doTERRA Yarrow Balm. This one you can take internally. It's safe for that, and of course doTERRA standard is very, very different from a lot of the other essential oils that you'll see out there on the market. I can tell you more if you want to just ask me about that. So, but you have the straight up essential oil that you can use many different ways. You can add this to your moisturizer for your face routine. You can take it internally. So it's really great for reducing stress, emotional, and but the main thing that a lot of people just love is for the the weight loss help there and the skin healthy glow look that we love to get. So anyway, that is probably the deal I am like so excited about this holiday season, and I wanted to tell you about it because you can snag all of this up for less than what it would cost to buy the 3 products by themselves. So yeah, normally if you're gonna buy all 3, you're gonna have to spend about $200. Well, $200, yeah. So get it while it's $70, $90-ish or less than that maybe. So anyway, hope you enjoy.